I'm Trudy the Triceratops with 3 horns on my face. I used to charge and rumble, now I sing with dino grace. My frill's a crown of colors, my tail sways to the sound. And when I start to sing, the whole jungle gathers around. Toodaloo, I'm a dino who sings with jungle birds and butterfly wings. I don't roar or fight or stomp with my feet. I sing sunny songs with a jungle beat. I once was known for grumping with a head so tough and wide, but now I play my trumpet horn with dino pride inside. I sing to calm the weather, I hum to help things grow, and the vines all start to shimmy when I hit that high note. Whoa! Toodaloo, I'm a dino who sings with frogs on drums and vines for strings. The trees all sway and the monkeys swing when I fill the air with the Triceratops zing. Three horns, one heart, and a jungle soul. My songs make every dino feel whole. From baby stegosaurs to old diplos, they line up to hear how my melody goes. Toodaloo from the canopy top, I'm Trudy the Singing Triceratops. Come sing with me 'neath the jungle sky with a dino jam and a lullaby. Toodaloo from the canopy top, I'm Trudy the Singing Triceratops. Come sing with me 'neath the jungle sky with a dino jam and a lullaby.